Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to show you why I completely stopped trading meme coins in 2026 and why I started launching them instead. At some point, I realized that deving gives you a much bigger edge and way less downside, and it's way less riskier compared to trading. Making that switch has been extremely profitable for me. Now I'm able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars without risking that much money than trading does. So if you're tired of losing money from trading meme coins, well, this video might be for you. In 2026, the game completely changed. Traders are losing, meanwhile the devs are winning. And in this video, I'm exposing the strategy that I've been using to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars from purely launching coins. Now, if you're still trading meme coins at this present moment, you are already behind everyone else. You are buying random coins, right? Or coins that are decent, hoping to make money. Guess what happens? You get dumped on by the dev and you lose most of your port. That's why people who actually understand how this space works aren't wasting time trading these shitty coins. They're actually creating them instead, and these people are called devs, just like me. All we do is we launch coins using a viral narrative, and then when the hype is high and the market cap and the volume is really high, we cash out and we move on to the next coin. Sometimes we can launch multiple at a time. It's low risk and high upside because you have nothing to lose when it comes to deving. Anybody can launch coins, it costs nothing. But when you trade meme coins though, on the other hand, well, you are the one providing the exit. You are buying coins and just giving the money to the devs, and that's exactly why you have to start deving in 2026. Now the process is simple. You deploy the token, you let the attention build up naturally, and then you cash out. And yeah, right now launching is where the real edge is because the barrier to entry is basically zero. That is the approach that I use to grow my entire portfolio from nothing to hundreds of thousands of dollars. So stay locked in because I am going to walk you through exactly how to launch your very first token and how it could potentially turn into gains, all in this video. And by the way bro, I do not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to educate you guys on how it works. So please do your own research bro. And yeah bro, let's get straight into the video. Now most people, when they want to launch a meme coin, they simply go to Pump.Fun and they expect to make money by launching here. Now I get it bro, Pump.Fun has been around for a long time. It has a good reputation, but the thing is that there is too many coins coming out on Pump.Fun by the second. So if you make a coin bro, no one is going to buy it, and on top of that, Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool, which means you cannot just dump on everyone and profit. You only make money from the creator fees, which is absolutely bad. Okay, if you want to make money, you have to control the entire liquidity pool, and you need attention on your coin, and on Pump.Fun that is not suitable. That's why I launched my meme coins on Raydium, because on Raydium bro, you control all your coins and you get a bunch of attention on your meme coin because it gets migrated instantly. Once your coin goes in the migrate section, okay, it gets a bunch of attention, it gets a bunch of volume, and that's exactly what we are looking for when launching a coin. Now look, to make a coin on Raydium bro, do not use Pump.Fun because your coin will need to reach a $32.9 thousand migration price for it to level up to Raydium. Instead, use create meme.io because every single coin that you launch here will go to Raydium immediately, okay, and it will get a bunch of attention, a bunch of volume, a bunch of traders, and that's exactly what we need. Okay, if you have a good narrative and you launch it here on Raydium, it will get a bunch of attention, and that's exactly what we need. That's why people are gatekeeping this launch pad. Now to launch a meme coin right on create meme.io, you obviously have a couple options. You could either create a coin from scratch. If you have a project, a community, and you have a good idea in mind, right, you can just make a name, symbol, and then image, right, and then obviously your coin will be finished. Or you can use their free X tracker, right, and you can turn viral tweets or any tweet that you want, right, into coins instantly. Or if you are a meme coin trader, you can use this as the fastest X tracker for your own use bro. But in this video we will be using another method also known as vamping or copy trending coins right here, okay? Basically, all these coins have a good narrative, and instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we will be copying one that is going viral right now back to Raydium, and then we will be gaining a bunch of attention and a bunch of buyers from that strategy, because all these coins have a good narrative. They're all going viral on Pump.Fun, and they're all getting a bunch of buyers and a bunch of fucking profits, which means if we copy these coins, well, it's already proven to attract buyers, so we have a higher chance of making profits if we copy these coins. I will show you how it's done. But anyways, let's dev a coin and then see how much we can make from this meme coin launch. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is well connected, then click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy and to launch. Just go for one and copy it. I'ma vamp the spike coin. Click copy to Raydium right here, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be copied, right? Just give it some time for it to load right here, okay? Just be patient, come on. Boom. And if I go on scan, you guys can see that it's live on chain. You guys can go check for yourself, bro. It's minted, everything is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we allocate our liquidity and make our supplier like that people can buy our coin, and it will go to Raydium. Now look, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. This is what I usually do for all my meme coin vamps. And then for the amount of SOTA pair, here is where you will be exchanging some of your Solana for some supply in your own coin. Like that, you can make profits as a dev while your supply gains more value. But look, you are not losing anything here, okay? You will get this back later or whenever you want. Once you exit, I'ma put 0.3 SOL, okay? This is what I usually do. 0.3 to 1 SOL is good. Click on crit pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, right? And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button down below and then scroll down, and bang, the spike coin is live and your P&L is right there. And if you click on the refresh button right here to see how much you're up now, well, as you guys can see, we're up 170 bucks, which is not too shabby. But look, if you click on view on Photon, right, to see the chart, or you can go on any trading platform that you want, it's up to you. Well, as you guys can see, the coin is live, okay? People are buying in, we're gaining a bunch of volume, and I think we're already up like 200 bucks already within a couple of seconds, which is absolutely insane, okay? By the way, I am not using any volume bots, I am not using any bundlers, I am not using my community to pump this coin, nothing. It's all organic on Raydium, on Memescope. These are all random wallets buying in, and that's exactly why we copy coins and we use create meme.io. It costed nothing to make this coin, and that's exactly what makes deving so lucrative and profitable, way more than trading, I'm telling you, okay? By the way, it is not financial advice, you can do whatever the fuck you want. Anyways, I'ma let this coin pump. When I come back, I will show you guys exactly how to cash out your supply on your meme coin launch. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 6.3k market cap, 2.2k liquidity. Now let's cash out our profits. So look, come back to create meme.io and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, damn, we're up $2,24,000 on this meme coin. Now look, before it goes even downer, click on the minus button, do 100%, and then click on remove liquidity. Wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, right? Hello, come on. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it from start to finish. And look, I am not fucking capping, bro. $2,200 went straight in my Phantom wallet, and this method is fully repeatable. If you are actually a grinder, you can launch multiple coins at a time. Create meme.io will be linked down below or in the description, bro. Good luck to everyone. Like, comment, subscribe, and join my Discord down below, bro. Let's fucking go.